Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Expedia points for flights. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so Expedia points now are called One Key Cash in most regions. So to check it out, come on over to expedia.com, sign into your account. Now they've called it One Key Cash. I'm not sure how when they've changed it, but yeah, that's what it's called now. Now to use that One Key Cash or Expedia points, we need to go ahead and book that flight. So go ahead and choose your flight. So I'm just going to do a one-way for this demonstration here. Now you want to go ahead and review your trip, and then from here it's going to tell you if we're going to earn 1 key cash on this flight as well. So go ahead and click onto checkout, continue to checkout. Then from here, obviously go ahead and put in your name, phone number, details. You can go ahead and protect your trip, and then how you like to pay. And this is where we can go ahead and use the 1 key cash. So if is it available on that flight and what region you are in as well, you're going to be able to pay using your 1 key cash on this page. And then from there, basically go ahead and complete your booking using that 1 key cash.